Hello everyone, in today's math tutorial we want to find the determinants of the product AB, the matrices AB. And in order to get the determinant of this, we need to first find the product AB. So the product AB is the matrix product of the matrix A, 5, 3, minus 1, and 0, minus 4, 1, and 0, 2, minus 6, 0, 8, 2. And when it comes to the product of matrices, we use the row to multiply the column. The same row will be used to multiply the second column. That will be the second entry. When we are done with that, we use the second row to multiply the columns in succession, which means that the product is going to leave us with a 2 by 2 matrix. Now here is the product. For the first entry, 5 multiplies 0. That is added to the product of 3 and negative 6, and also added to the product of negative 1 and 8. Then for the second entry, we use the same row to multiply the next column. So 5 multiplying 2 plus 3 multiplying 0 plus negative 1 multiplying 2. We then move to the next row with 0 multiplying 0, that's the first column, added to negative 4 multiplying negative 6, and that added to 1 multiplying 8. Then for the second column, we have 0 multiplying 2 added to negative 4 multiplying 0 and added to 1 multiplying 2. So simplifying the product, we are going to have for the first entry 0 minus 18 minus 8. For the second entry, we have 10 plus 0 minus 2. Then for the second row, we have 0 multiplying 0, that's 0, plus the product of negative 4 and negative 6, giving a positive 24, and plus 8. Then the last entry, we have 0 plus 0 plus 2. So that finally the product AB is negative 26 for the first entry, 8 for the second entry, 32 for the third entry, and 2 for the last entry. Now that we have the product AB, the next is to find the determinant. So we are looking for the determinant of a 2 by 2 matrix. The determinant of a 2 by 2 matrix is obtained by having this product and taking away this product from it. So that is the product of the leading diagonal minus the product of the other diagonal, the second diagonal. That gives negative 52 as the product of minus 26 and 2, minus the product of 8 and 32 is 256, giving us a determinant of negative 308. Now we believe you have learned the two skills shown in this video. They are multiplication of matrices and how to find determinants, especially of a 2 by 2 matrix. So please like, share, do send your comments, and subscribe to this channel. We have more exciting tutorials coming your way on this channel, and there are also exciting tutorials already on the channel. Do have a lovely day.